Two people use the same credit card. One builds leverage, the other builds debt. Person A gets the card and feels something. Not freedom exactly, more like permission. The limit feels like money. That's the illusion. They swipe for dinner, for the trip, for the thing that was on sale. The bill comes. Minimum due, $35. They pay $35. And the balance sits there, growing, quietly, at 24%. Person B gets the exact same card, same limit, same bank, same piece of plastic. They swipe too, but every time they do, they already know how it ends. Bill comes, full balance, paid, every month, zero interest, ever. Same card, different outcome. So what's actually happening here? Credit cards don't make people poor. They just expose what was already there. The card isn't dangerous. The delay is. That gap between when you spend and when you actually pay, that's where it happens. That's where the story diverges. Because a credit card is not money. It's borrowed time. Up to 45 days where your money stays in your account. Still earning, still sitting, still yours. If you use that window correctly, the bank is floating you an interest-free loan every single month. That's the part they don't advertise loudly, because the model only works if you don't pay in full. Every expense you put on that card either costs you or pays you back. Person B isn't just avoiding interest. They're getting paid to spend money they were going to spend anyway. Person A is paying 24% on a dinner they don't remember. And then there's the protection, fraud reversal, dispute resolution, purchase protection, things cash simply cannot do. You buy something, it's damaged, it never arrives. With cash, that's your problem. With a credit card, that's a phone call. The system has tools built into it. Most people never use them because most people are too busy managing the interest. Here's the shift nobody talks about directly. Used wrong, the system extracts from you. Used right, the system pays you. Banks don't make money from disciplined users. Think about that for a second. The people who pay in full every month, they cost the bank money. The best credit card users are the bank's worst customers. And the bank is fine with that, because for every one of them, there are 10 people paying minimum due. Now here's where I have to be honest with you, because I was person A. Not dramatically, not in a way that felt like a crisis, just quietly, month after month, minimum payment, growing balance, that low-level background stress of a number you stop looking at because looking at it doesn't help. I didn't think I had a spending problem. I thought I had an income problem. I was wrong. The card wasn't the issue. I was spending money I didn't have on things I didn't need, and the card was just the mechanism that made it feel painless in the moment. Painless in the moment, expensive over time. That's the whole trap. So I changed 3 things. Not complicated, not a system, just 3 rules. If I can't pay it today, I don't swipe it. Full payment, every month, no exceptions. Never get close to your limit, ever. Miss the due date once, and they own you. Person B isn't smarter than person A. They don't make more money. They don't have a finance degree. They just decided early that the card was a tool, not a safety net, not a backup plan, not permission, a tool. And they never let themselves forget what it actually is. Credit cards don't ruin people. They reveal them. Used blindly, it's a trap that compounds quietly until one day you look at the number and feel sick. Used carefully, it's leverage, float, protection, a system working for you instead of against you. Same card, same swipe. The only difference is whether you knew the ending before you tapped.